can see it right there. Hey guys, this is Dino-Rang on my wildlife hunter explorer. And I have this cast because I was hunting something earlier. Holy dang. Right there is the rare gray rock. It's a rare species that can only be summoned, but I did the call. It's like this. Yeah. And I'm trying to make more come, but they aren't moving. See, look. Dang it. Holy dang. See, look. You moved. Well, anyways, we are going to be, getting a closer look down. So I want to see this thing. Let me see. I have myself attached to a rope. Of course, you can't see it. Now, we are going to catch them, hunt them, and then eat them. Whoa! Holy dang! Ah, stupid rocks. One bit the rope, and it caught me over there. Oh well, this is what happens, guys, when you're a Dino-Ring rock hunter. Well, anyways, the rocks are a really hard species. I'll get my arm later. They can be really dangerous. Like, really, let's go up to it. Yeah, he's red. Oh! 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 Hot. He caught me on fire. Boo. Actually, no, he didn't. He bit me. And his breath, okay, his species, their breath, smell like someone ate pasta in the middle of romantic dinner. Of course, that's what happened with me. Because, you know, me and this other dino, they named her Spiny, and I don't know why. I don't see her any spikes. Oh well. Spinosaurus, no problem. Well, anyways, I don't want to end it right here. So we're going to set up a trap for this rock. Okay, here it is. You see there? There's a mushy one and a wet one. And I'm going to throw the rock and it can choose its death. And then we'll examine what it does in there. But the one problem is, how are we going to get it? Because I don't want to get bit again. How am I going to move it to there? Well, rocks have a distinct appetite for leaves. So I'm going to make a leaf path that will lead it to the bait, where I'll be waiting. Come on. What? It isn't budging. No. Can't not budge. This is me, Dino-Rang. These leaves are extra gross too. You get in the shade first. You see, I did something wrong because I frightened it, and now it's not going to move, so I'm going to actually have to force it to move with my new ultrasonic gun. And also, we are going to take a little drive in my scooter. So, we, do whatever it takes to, do stuff. Really, wear the helmet, kids. Now, where'd it go again? I think it went there. No, it didn't go there. Yeah. Whoa. ow, 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 ow. What happened? No, I killed the rock with my car. I mean, scooter. No, he did. See, look at those markings. That was because the chunk was cut off them because it was cut in half. No, what I did wrong was I did look left and right, and I hit the poor innocent rock with my scooter. Now, don't try this at home, kids. Whew. I hope the police don't catch me because I ran over a rock with my scooter. Hey, well, it was a long day of hunting the rock. What the heck? Oh, there's something inside this. Oh, 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 oh. It's so wet in there. Ow, 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 ow. Well, we're gonna find out what it is next time on Dino-Rang's Wildlife Adventures. And we'll see what's in there.